So in this question it is given x square plus 1 by x square is 23. We need to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. This kind of questions are very important. We cannot find it directly. So first we need to find out what is x plus 1 by x. So this we need to find first. So let's start with that. So here it is in square form. So add 2ab both the sides. If it is given, find out the value of x minus 1 by x cube. So we'll be going to find out minus. So in that case, we will add minus 2ab both the side. So already 23 was given. So plus 2ab added both the side. Now this complete is whole square identity. So this will make x plus 1 by x whole square. Whereas this x got cancelled. This is 25. Thus getting square root on both the sides. So x plus 1 by x is equal to plus or minus 5. So if we get square root on both the side, we get the value of x plus 1 by x as plus or minus 5. We need to find cube. Thus we'll make cube on both the side. Now cubing both sides. So x plus 1 by x cube is equal to 5 cube. Now write down the cube identity. Whole cube, a cube plus b cube, 3ab, a plus b. 5 cube is 125. Now x will get cancelled. We need to calculate the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So leave that. Put the value of x plus 1 by x. So it's given, we calculated it as 5. So replace it with 5. Thus x cube plus 1 by x cube is 125 minus 15. Shifting this 15 towards right. So final answer is 110. For this kind of questions, so this is a, b, c, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is it. A square plus b square plus c square identity. So whenever we find any negative term in between, so how we can calculate, like this is the expanded one. If we multiply them, a minus b minus c, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. It's not 2ab, it's bc, ca, ab. So let's first find out the identity which you are getting there. A plus b plus c, then a square, b square, c square, minus ab, minus bc, minus ca. Compare, this is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now when we compare this whole thing with the formula, we are getting that b part is having minus sign. So let's replace them. So a, b, c as per our identity. Now a square, then minus y, that is b square, then 3z square, c square, then plus, here as per identity we are having minus. So this minus, then this 2x multiplied by minus y. Then again minus y with 3z, minus ab, bc, now ca. So our c part is 3z, a part is 2x. So thus we adjusted with the identity. So the final answer is a cube, then plus b is minus y, b cube, then c cube. So finally it is 2a cube is 8x cube, then minus y cube, 3 cube is 27, 27 z cube. So this is our final answer. So for this type of question, we need to find out like which is the lowest term and where there is plus and minus terms are there. So here we can see that here it is a minus b and a plus b term. So first we are going to combine them. A minus b, a plus b is a square minus b square. So let's convert them in identity. A square minus b square. Now copy out rest of the things as it is. If we make square of this part, first part, it will be a square minus 1 upon a square. Now again we got the terms like once in plus, once in minus. So again the terms are in plus and minus. We'll make it a square minus b square identity again. And copy out the last term without any change. So finally it is a raised to 4 minus 1 upon a raised to 4. Again a raised to 4 plus 1 by a raised to 4. So if we compare them, once again they are in plus and minus term. So we'll make again them as a square minus b square. So finally it is a raised to 8 minus 1 upon a raised to 8. So this is our final answer.